Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add music to an Instagram story. First step is open Instagram and go to your story. You can do by the swiping the screen to the right or tap on your profile picture in the upper left corner of your screen. Proceed to the take a story, whether it's a photo or a video, and then tap the sticker icon at the top of your screen. Go to the music sticker. Find a song that you want to add and tap on it. Instagram will show you recommend song as well as a different category you want to choose from family, pop, bright, mode, etc. Move the slide bar and, for example, go to music and move the slide bar to decide part of the song will be played. It can only play for 15 seconds. I select this song. Then tap a thumbnail to change the album icon or replace it with lyrics. After you choosing this music on your demand, then tap done is the right top. Move the icon lyrics anywhere across the screen like this and change font color and shape on your demand. I'm choosing font shape. And tap the story in the bottom the right corner on your screen. When your followers open your story, the story you choose will be played automatically. If they want to see which song is playing, they can tap on the title under your name and the song will pop up in another tab. After that, select your tab and done. Then click this and tap your story. Share your story like this. After that, post on your story, click done. Okay, and check it. Process the posting.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.